Man, what a nasty day. I need to go out, so let me go get the keys. Oh, what is this? Wonder what's in that box. Let's open it up and see. What is going on, everybody? Welcome to NMI GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. Nice to see you on this rainy, miserable, just got out of work. It's cold outside, but it's supposed to be summer day. But anyway, I just wanted to see what y'all are up to today, and as you can see, I got a package from my boys down at JLT. I wonder what that is. Something I should have done years ago, but I haven't got around to doing it. And I'll tell you why in a few minutes, but just go inside and see what we got from them. All right, everyone, what I got from them is the JLT Oil Separator 3.0, and this one is called the remote mount, and I'll tell you why I needed to get this one here in a second, but let's unbox it and show you what we got. All right, everyone, what we got in this box handy dandy directions, my little package list. They sent me a t-shirt. Thanks, guys. Hardware, the hanger, and the oil separator. And of course you get your JLT sticker. Hold that thought. Alright, everyone, I'm going to go ahead and show you where it's going to go and then give you a quick little install. It shouldn't take very long to do, but the things that don't take long usually ends up screwed up and take you forever to do. And I wanted to show you why it took me so long to get it, because of my Whipple back here. There's a certain one you have to get, or only certain ones that I found that would work. So I'll show you what the difference is, where if you would have bought a regular one with the regular manifold on it versus the supercharged one. So catch you in a second, and let me flip this around and we'll show you where we're going to put it. Alright, guys, on your normal GT that has the 5.0 cover and all that going on, it would sit right here in this little U. So it would connect here, come in, and then it would go under the cover and sit right here in this little spot. Obviously that doesn't work with a supercharger. So I was looking at other ones. I was looking at UPR and different brands, and they would come back all the way back here and mount back up here, so they would have to travel all the way back and forth. Now the one that I bought is called the remote system. What it does, it hooks here, right here, and then wires down and comes over to this corner. This will launch over to over here, and then right down here there's a bolt right there. I got to take this off. Where your ground is, you run the bolt there, and then it runs up the catch can off the top, and it floats here in the corner. So I'm going with that type of system. JLT makes some good stuff. Everybody usually gets that, so I wanted to stay with that type of brand. So we're going to go ahead and get all the pieces parts together, and we'll see you in a sec. Alright, everyone, so what you got to do first is take off the 13mm bolts right here, and then the ones on the other side, and get that out your way. So let's go ahead and do that. And there you go. Let me get that out. Alright guys, right here is that 10mm nut that we need to take off. You just take the nut out and then I'll show you what goes in its place. So let me get that off real quick. Alright, as you can see guys right here, that there is the bracket that holds the catch can in, and there's the other top bolt. Now it's a 13mm to put the bolt in, and then the top nut is a 10mm. So I guess I keep you guessing. But anyway, we'll go ahead and get it all put together. Now I left this loose so I can go ahead and put it where I need it before I tighten it all the way down with everything. So let me go ahead and get all the rest of the hoses and get these off right here. And these, if you don't know, they got these little green collars right here, right there, and right there. You just push them and they come on up. So see you in a minute. All right guys, before I put it all together, I just wanted you to see how it's gonna go. Right there is the holder. Like I said, this will go this way under here. You will have that little bend right there. Then this I routed under and around so it'll stay out the way. So it should be pretty good and good to go that way. So let me go ahead and tighten it up and show you what the finished product looks like. Okay everyone, that's about the finished product. See how it routes down, comes back up and goes over, and it hangs there. I'm gonna go ahead and put the strut tower brace back on and show you what it looks like finished. Alright everybody, there is the install of the JLT 3.0 catch can. Made, I don't know if this is made for the Whipple. They do have one for the Whipple. It sits a little different, but they didn't have one for the 13, 14 Mustangs. They had them for the 15s and up. I guess it would have been the same, but it would have mounted somewhere in this area, which the car is different. So I don't know if that would work or not. So they have the remote system that works just fine. It sits off to the side. As you can see, the install wasn't very bad at all. And then we'll get back with it at some point and show you if it's worth buying, especially with a supercharged car. Another thing is, just remember how this goes. If you have just a stock manifold on it, it only goes from here to right over here in this area. So it's a little U, a catch can, and then over there. So we'll go ahead and finish up this video and see you in a minute. Alright everybody, that is the video for today. I hope y'all enjoyed it. That was the install of the JLT catch can, the 3.0 remote system. It's a little different than the normal, so remember, if you want it out where this one is, you want it as the remote system. Look it up at jltperformance.com and they will hook you up and get you straight. Again, thanks for watching the video. I hope y'all are having a safe week, and we will catch you on the next one. Peace out.